heard of that bar.
Yeah?
Hey! Hello! All right. Hi. Crazy weather coming our way. You
Yeah.
trying to get these girls down in the bunker? or-
Oh, no, I'm inviting them back to our very cool bar.
Oh, cool.
Yeah,
We got a sweet bunker too, man.
Yeah.
It's like so secure. People can't get in or out if we don't want them to. We'll be like totally safe down there.
Yeah.
I got a bunch of supplies. You guys like pickled eggs? We got sardines too.
Yeah, we got a bunch of other, normal food and normal stuff there, too. Yeah, it's a great bar. Gonna be free drinks for everybody, so, you'll come, you'll party with us, and you bring your girlfriends, too,
Sure.
We don't want just the two of you. You gotta bring your girlfriends. That's a requirement.
Sounds like fun. Can our boyfriends come too?
Your boyfriends?
Yeah, our boyfriends.
Do you have boyfriends? How did you not know that the reason I invited you back to my bar was to bang you? Get out of here. Get the hell out of here. Get out of here. Stay away from me.
Dick.
You're a dick. I'm not a dick. Oh, it's okay. Take it easy, all right?